improving in my makeups, especially the eyebrows, especially this one. How is it? Hello, my good people. It's another beautiful morning where I'm about to do the laundry. You remember the sheets that we soaked? Yeah, today we are going to wash them, even if the weather is just now. No. It's not sure, but it doesn't look like it will rain right now. Maybe in the evening, and by evening, of course, the sheets would have dried. So I want to do that. I really have a very tight schedule today, but and also I'm going out and I'll be leaving the sheets, but hope it won't rain because that's the only scare that I have. Hey, yani imagine tu kukizenyesha afu zo sheets ziyeshe. I'm like, no, let them stay here. But it's now time to wash them. Let's go wash them, and then after that I'll just do some little cleaning because today I'm going to pick a very important package, and I think I'll be gone for like 2 hours or maybe. So I'll make sure not to stay because I'll have left very important things outside. So let's go wash the sheet, and then I come back and start cleaning. So Charlie has work. As we go to hang the clothes, he carries the towel, and I carry the pegs. And then we go. The towel is just to wipe the lines before we start like hanging the clothes. So Charlie doesn't have just to eat; he works too. Charlie, sit down. Good boy. There we go. Just from hanging the clothes, and I just love Charlie today worked so well. And he knows like where the hanging lights are, so he will just definitely go there and stand there and wait for me. And actually he doesn't leave me and wait until I take the towel. So cute, let me tell you, it's so cute. He's just the best. So guys, I'm actually just done preparing, and the weather actually it's so cute. I just like it. In the morning it was just ishy, but right now it's perfect. It's sunny, and I've just like anika the bed sheets, and yeah, I'm now ready to go and pick the package. And ooh, I feel so cute, and I'm improving in my makeups, especially the eyebrows, especially this one. How is it? I like it so much. Learning to do my makeups, it takes a while, but I just like doing my makeup for sure. But very simple one, like this one. Yay! So let's go. Let's go and pick the package and then come back. So guys, I already like got home just maybe 2 hours ago. I was super hungry. I started by eating, and then after eating, I wanna go and hang the clothes, the sheets that I did like Anika in the morning. Actually, the weather today has been just a little bit cold, but also sunny. Of course, the sheets zingekauka na hiyo weather. I'm super glad that laundry is done. So I want to show you the package that I brought. And guys, I need your support. I need your support. Like on Instagram, go follow the Pink Lady Official. I will leave the link at the description box so that it will be easy for you to access it. So just click the link and Phew. Easy. If you follow me on Instagram, it will definitely be easy to access that page. We have all the girly essentials that you may need. So let's go and hang the sheets, and also we come and unpack the package. And as we unpack, please remember this page here. Go follow it. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you. So let's see what's inside here. Yeah. So guys, I'm just unboxing the package, and let me tell you, the quality is just giving it all. It's just giving it all. If you're that person who loves quality things, the pink lady got you. So let me show you. Let me show you here. So we got these brushes, and they are so cute. Look at how sealed they are. These ones, man, girlies, wenye mnapenda makeups, here we are. We got you. We got you. And many, many more. So go to the Pink Lady Instagram and follow the page so that you can see more and more and more. And if you like something there, just DM to order. Let's continue unpacking. So for more content about this, and I'll go Pink Lady, and then you'll see all of it. So let me just finish unpacking and doing everything, and just remember to visit the Pink Lady and follow the page. We got you. Hello, my good people. It's another beautiful day. Actually, it's in the afternoon. Yeah, it's afternoon. It's around 2 p.m. there, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I'm just from doing shopping, and I want to show you what I just did for shopping. Yani nimeamka leo, and I'm like, I don't have a lot of things to eat because I've been surviving with Cheetos and Pop Tart, and that's not okay. That's not right. And then we continue. Yeah, and I'm craving tea. I'm really craving to drink just good tea with good milk. And after this, that's what I'll cook immediately. And yeah. So let's do a haul. I've never done a haul. This is my first time. I don't know how it will come out. I'm so nervous. So actually, buy, and then I'm like, oh, let me do a video about this. So this is all I got today, and I have some books. Let me just put it here. Yeah. There. So we start with milk. A box of milk. Yeah. We arrange it well. Tuzo, I like Tuzo a lot, very, very much. And then, of course, service. The Naivas one, it was cheaper, so I'm like, oh. And it had an offer. And then, bleach. This Omo bleach, I want to try it. I've just seen it. Ikiwa na offer, man. It was like 229 shillings. Yeah, I want to try it, and it's lavender, so I want to really try it and see how it is. Yeah. And also, of course, bread. I just bought this bread because I don't like bread. I don't like bread. I really don't like bread. But the way I'm just craving tea. I'm like, "Ah, I'm not ready to cook like pancakes. Let me just carry this bread that I'll just eat with some tea, and then that's it. I think hata nikikula tu moja ama mbili, that's it. There was not a smaller version of this. This is the smallest. So I had to bring it home. Next, I got some biscuits. Yay! Lovita, I like this brand, Lovita. Indomie. I like this beef one. It's so cute. I just love it. I just bought like two of them. I bought this vinegar. This is white vinegar because I've seen how vinegar is so important in a house. Wiping the surface, even everywhere. Let me tell you, everywhere. You can just use vinegar and it's just the best. The boot right. I just tried it once and I just liked it. And I just bought this one. I bought some mangoes. I can hope they are good because I've been buying mangoes. That's why I just bought three of them because I've been buying mangoes and they are not zinakuja tu zinakaa tu vibaya and then they are so bitter. But these ones, I hope I chose well. This was just a try. I want to try how I choose mangoes. I would say I will try them and see if they are bitter. Bitter, if they are, I'm not a good chooser of mangoes. And then I bought some two lemons because I wanna drink lemon tea. You know, when I make it, I will show you lemon tea. I was just craving lemon tea, and I was like, let me just buy some two lemons. If I would buy more than this, for sure zingekuja tu zikaukia kwa nyumba. So I just bought two of them. You're craving in Toke, tuendelee. So next, I bought some ndanier. Yeah, this is ndanier. Yeah, ndanier. Because I want to cook something sweet with them. I bought this cartooning. Yani, this thing was 100 shillings. Yani, seriously? How? This inaitangwa nika super bright amani ni ya kuosha vyombo. This one. That was the most expensive thing I bought, man. Next, I bought some chicken wings. Yani, kila kitu ilipakiwa. I bought some chicken wings. I just love chicken wings for sure. Compared to the whole chicken, I better buy chicken wings there this time. And of course, tripe, matumbo. Oh, yeah. Hapa wameandika inaitwa hapa. I bought all of this from Naivas. So wanaandika it's ox tripe. That's how it's called. This is how it looks. Yeah, I'll just wash them and boil them and then pack them in the freezer. Some garlic. I like garlic a lot. I always buy like less because nikibuy mingi zinakuja zinaanza kuwa ni kama ziko na molds, and I also have some there, like two of them. So when I buy like more than four, ama more than just a lot, zinaanza kukuwa na molds, and then that's a lot. So two, it's enough. And of course, I bought some ginger. I like ginger a lot. This one also, it's enough. And of course, I bought some mop. I always use mop pads. Just one, it's enough. I have mop. And of course, hey. Oh my goodness. Yani, this was cheap. Let me tell you how much it was. It was 131 Kenyan shillings. All of this. 131 Kenyan shillings. That's cheaper. Nikizimagine kwa kibanda nitauzio like about 30 shillings, 30. At the supermarket, it's cheaper, let me tell you. The next one on the list is tupike. I like this unga for sure. Ugali. I bought like two of them. And this one eggs. Of course, I've told you guys I don't like bread. It's the self-raising. I like it so much to make the pancakes. It comes out well. I remember tukianza hii video, by the way, I cooked with a jab and I did not like the pancakes for sure. But this one is the one for pancakes. And of course, the last one is this. So I have this potatoes, and yeah, that's it. One thing I like about the haul is this bleach. I really want to try it and see how it is. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people advertising it, and I'm like, oh, let me try it. So that's it for the haul. Let me just cook some tea. I'm craving tea. Cook some tea and bread, and of course, maybe some biscuits. And yeah, that's it for the haul. Thank you. Hello, guys. Hope you're all doing fine. It's another beautiful day where I just remembered I was vlogging. Yeah, my hands are so like messy with a lot of colors everywhere. So I just remembered I was vlogging and I need to finish this vloggy so that I can edit it and just post it so that I can see it next Sunday. So one thing I want to show you, it's just a package that I've just received from display materials. Man, oh god. That was so fast. Like Nili ordered this display. It has something to display. We have a Pink Lady shop. It's an online shop where we sell clothes, any girly things that you want, and the quality ones actually. The quality is on the top notch. So I just received this card display. In Itango, I just saw that they call it a Tieno. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. I just love their services. They were so cute and fast. Actually, imagine less than an hour. I think it's less than an hour. I ordered that thing and imefika where I am. And that's the service I want to give the people who will come and buy from Pink Lady. Are you ready, guys? So let me show you the Atieno, and then after that, we are done with this vlog. So let me show you that display material that I have, and then after that I think that's it for this vlog. And thank you for watching. If you've not liked the video, please consider liking, and if you have not subscribed, please press that button down there. You subscribe and then you grow this family. This family is growing. Road to 2,000 subscribers. We're just there, guys. Tumebakisha like about 300. Ebu finya ako ka subscription button kama hujafinya, please. Finya ako ka subscription button if you have not pressed it, please. Join the family and let's grow. Let's grow. So